Hey there, I'm on page 24 of your book, looking first at the yellow box. So that very top row there includes this chart that I have here, that 2 to the 7th is equal to 128, 2 to the 6th is 64, 2 to the 5th is 32, 2 to the 4th is 16, 2 to the 3rd is 8, 2 squared is 4, 2 to the first power is 2, and 2 to the 0 power, or anything to the 0 power, is 1. All right, so looking at the example, it says write the decimal number 29 as a binary number. So 29 is equal to 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. And using our chart at the top, 16 was equal to 2 to the 4th power. 8 was equal to 2 to the 3rd power. Now what is 4 equal to? 4 is equal to 2 to the 2nd power. And then 1 is equal to 2 to the 0 power. Okay, so you see how all those line up and match up? All right, so now we're going to take that and we're going to write the number in expanded form. So we're going to use 1 if the power is used and 0 if it is not. So 2 to the 4th was used, so we multiplied it by 1. 2 to the 3rd was used. Now 2 to the 2nd, we have to count in descending order from our exponents. So we have 4, then 3, now we have 2, and then we'll have 1 and then 0, okay? So 2 to the 2nd power was 2 to the 2nd power used. 2 to the 2nd power is 4, and yes, it was used, so I'm going to put a 1 there. 2 to the 1st power, we have to add that in because we have to count down from our exponent. It was not used, though. We did not use the number 2 at all, so we put a 0 there. And then 2 to the 0 power, 1 was used, so we put a 1 there. So then we're able to take our numbers from the front and have 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 with a base of 2. Okay, so let's look at number 9. All right, so number 9, they want us to write the decimal number 7 as a binary number. So the number 7 is equal to what numbers added together using our numbers up here. So I know that 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So I'm going to use these three numbers here, okay? 4, 2, and 1. So 7 is equal to 4 plus 2 plus 1, right? So now I'm going to write this using, write the number in expanded form. And I'm sorry, not expanded form, in the sum of its powers. So 4 is equal to 2 squared. 2 is equal to 2 to the 1st power, and 1 is equal to 2 to the 0 power. So now I write it in expanded form. All right, so we start off with the highest exponent that we used, which was 2, and we did use the 2nd power, so it should be 1 times 2 to the 2nd power, plus, and then after 2, counting downwards is 1, we did use 2 to the 1st power, so we will do a 1 in that spot because we used it, times 2 to the 1st power, plus the next one is 2 to the 0 power. Did we use that one? Yes, we did. So we would also put a 1 there as well. So our final answer would be 1, 1, 1 with a base of 2. Keep in mind that sometimes when we use this, your exponents might jump. You might skip a number. So let's say that we had 3, 1, 0 as our exponents. You would have to include that 0 times 2 to the 2nd power to make up for your 2 that was not used. That's where we get the zeros from. However, on number 9, we used all of them in order. We didn't skip any, so we didn't have to throw any zeros there. So this here would be our final answer. I hope this helped.